Hey guys, this is an SPT USB-C to iPhone lightning cable, charging cable. It's also act as a data cable, and you can use it with the USB-C adapter. So this is a USB-C adapter that goes into the adapter side or your laptop or anything, and then this side will go to the lightning cable. You can see like the thickness of the cable and the quality of the cable. And as I mentioned, this act as a both as a data cable as well as charging cable, so you can use it. So just add it into the adapter like this, and when you put this into the thing, other side will go in your iPhone. So here just show you like it goes in your iPhone, and yep, I will just add it into the power adapter and see it start charging. Yep, it's pretty cool.